Wake Up and Makeup. It is Jennifer Woolsey, and we are going to do a few simple steps to look put together today because I have to run to town and run a few errands, and I don't want to go with no makeup on. So we're going to do those steps and head out the door. So welcome in, say hello whenever you're getting in, drop me a comment in the comment box, let me know what you think about this video, and be sure that you like and share this video. Okay, so let's go ahead. I've already done a quick prime with my BDL Satin Veil Primer. Love that primer. And we are going to conceal some of the dark spaces. Got a little friend here, so we're gonna do our Cashmere Complexion in shade Matcha and conceal some of this stuff that we don't want the day of light to see, right? So let's do that. Concealing is probably one of the fastest and most beneficial steps to a mom who has been not sleeping well. I'm sorry I've kind of gone missing in action on you guys. I have had a sick kid down, so have been full mama duty lately. Okay, let's do our Cashmere Complexion Powder Foundation in shade N120. It's well loved. I love this palette, or this foundation, and I use it a lot. I'm using a compact powder brush, and I'm just going to brush it on. This is a quick, easy step, especially if you're like, I don't really need full coverage. I just need a lighter coverage and just want to look kind of put together if you're running to town, and especially if you're wearing a mask. I love when I prime with this, it will actually stay on my skin. So I love that about this powder foundation. It smooths out the skin, evens out the skin tone. Got to get right there in that area. For some reason, that area is red on me. I may need to change over to a color correcting primer to help with that area. Okay, we're good. We're going to go in now with our Tattoo Station brow pencil. So I'm not going to do all the steps this morning because I am just doing a simple little tutorial to show you guys how you can do just a few steps and get out the door. And so we are going to kind of highlight these brows because there's just something about your brows being put together that brings the look together. So I'm just filling in, following the line of my natural brow. I'm using shade brown, and I love this shade. It really matches my brows well. Another thing about that powder foundation, a question I got the other day and I hadn't really ever even thought of, was, do you feel like that the powder foundation sets in your pores? And I really think if you're having that trouble with any kind of powder, whether it's a setting powder or a powder foundation, you want to make sure you add in that prime step, because that is just the most important thing that you can do to keep from powder setting in on your pores. Okay, so for the eyes, we're going to do our Glimmer Shadow. This is shade, well, Moonstone. It would be good if I had my glasses on, right? Okay, so I'm just going to apply a little bit here on the eyes. And I'm just taking another scoop. So if you're not wanting like a full on eye look, you're like, I don't have time for all that, Jen. I just need a quick and easy eye look. These glimmer shadows are so easy to just do a quick eye look. And I'm just using my ring finger and kind of blending it around. Now, definitely you can use these glimmer shadows as a highlight too. If you're doing like a full glam eye and you're wanting to add a little extra glam to it, these glimmer shadows are amazing for that. I don't know. Okay, So just a little color on those eyes. I am going to go in with my Monopop in shade Browns. It's one of my favorite palettes. And I'm going to pick up this lighter color. It's well loved. Down here in the corner, I need a new palette. And I'm just going to highlight underneath the brow on top of where I did that sandstone. See? It looks like a pretty decent put together eye for a quick morning routine, right? Let's do a liquid liner real quick. I mean, you know, we don't have to go impress the town. We just have to run to the post office and to the bank and run a couple of errands. So I love this Super Extend liquid liner. Once you get it down, it just glides on so easily. There we go. We are lined. We're going to add a little Love mascara to those lashes, and it'll look like we have a put together eye. And here, the truth is, how many of us are wearing masks so you don't even really see the cheeks or the lips? So you really just want to make sure that your eyes kind of look put together. Starting at the base, and I'm working it all the way up, giving those lashes a little bit of an extra curl. Look at the length that is added with that Love mascara on those lashes. Especially if you're like, oh, I've been thinking about falsies, but I'm not sure if I can handle, like, I have an eye irritation. If things like are close to my eye, I just don't know if I can handle it. I can't even put contacts in my eyes. I know it's crazy, right? So if I can do a mascara and still get that falsies look, then I am going to be a-okay with that. Those lashes we're loving those lashes for sure. Okay, we're going to do just a quick swipe of our Blushed in Love palette with those cheeks, and just going to put a little touch of pink on the cheek. I mean, this is probably makeup in less than 10 minutes because it's so quick. And then we're going to do our Mattitude and Respect. Love this Mattitude, and it's still available. Such a pretty color. Okay, let me let you look at the eyes. Here's the eye look. Very simple, very put together. Out the door in like 10 minutes or less, and you're ready to go and conquer your day. So if you're interested in any of these products, you can definitely shop on my website, which is youravon.com/jwoolsey. And on the link on the bio, I will definitely put every product I used so that you'll know exactly what I got, so that you can put those in your cart. And we have free gifts right now and free shipping on orders of $60 or more, and you can still get it in time for Christmas. So thank you so much for getting ready with me this morning. If you enjoyed these tips, share this video. Somebody else may also enjoy these tips, and sharing is caring. And be sure and like, subscribe, and follow. Thank you guys. I hope you have a beautiful day. Bye.